Hello guys, this is Man Pandey, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to make a touch circuit. So as you can see here, I write down some keywords like touch circuit. What is a touch circuit? Touch circuit is that one when we touch the terminals. Here is I'm showing you the two terminals which is named as touch terminals. When we touch these two terminals, the light, here I used a LED bulb, will glow up, and otherwise it will not glow up even we are giving the power supply to it. Okay, so here are some components we are using in this tutorial. This is a LED. I am using a red LED. You can use any one of LED like green, blue, white. Here are the NPN transistor. I am using BC547 transistor, a 220 ohm resistance, some kind of connecting wires to connect the components and the power supply. And for this power supply I am using a mobile charger. You can use any kind of 9-volt battery or the power supply of 5-volt battery or power supply, and the breadboard on which we are going to implement our circuit. So this was the info of the components. Now I will implement this circuit on this board. This is called breadboard. You can buy this stuff, all this stuff, for 50 to 60 rupees. Okay, now we will start. Firstly, I am using the NPN transistor and going to implement on the breadboard. Okay, this is our transistor. And this is power supply, and now this is the resistance of 220 ohm. As I shown you before, I am using it. I am connecting the resistance with the collector of the transistor, and the second leg of resistance I will connect with the negative leg of the LED. Here has two legs, as you can see. One is the long and another one is the short. The long leg of the LED is the positive and the short one is the negative. So I'm using negative leg of the LED and joining it with the resistance. Now the positive of the LED, I'm going to give the positive of the power supply, and on another hand I am going negative of the power supply to the transistor's emitter, as you can see in the circuit diagram. Now two more connections for the touch input. First touch input will be this one, the positive terminal of the LED, and second touch terminal will be the base of the transistor. Now when we touch these together, we can see here the LED is glowing. Here I am touching it and LED starts to glowing up. Okay, so this was the touch circuit implementation. You can change the value of the resistance and the numbers of the LEDs to make this circuit long and big. This is the tutorials from the Pneumatic Access free tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.